One other thing to appreciate about this Cambrook iron is that when we check the circuit diagram, the light is always connected in parallel with the element, which simply means the element can heat up when the light is faulty. So, or the other way, vice versa, when the light is when the element is faulty, it's dead, the light comes on. So in most cases, when you switch on your iron, the light comes on and there's no heat. Just know the simple thing: the element is dead. You either need to replace the element, or you need to buy yourself a new or a second-hand iron. Thank you guys for joining us in this episode. Your support is highly appreciated. If you need assistance with your product, please comment below. Remember, at Ace Electricals, we offer the following services. We sell brand new appliances and electronics. We buy and resell. We do repairs. We educate people on how to use appliances effectively and efficiently. If you want to participate in growing this channel, please subscribe, like, comment, and share. Thank you for watching. Bye.